It's game time. Welcome back to the Infinity Show, guys. Let's go. Bears came in hot. They haven't gone anywhere. It seems like they're still around. They are still around. So we'll see. Happy March to everybody. Fresh month. Let's go, guys. Very interesting open. All the indices are above Friday's highs. They started off above Friday's highs. We'll see if they can reclaim. I did some trading in pre-market, so I was able to catch some plays. Working on some new performance accounts. We're building back up. Definitely building back up. So let's get it. Right now, Bears are working the Bulls, man. They're definitely working the Bulls. Let's see if we can maybe get some plays down from VWAP. Bulls are trying to hold, but I got to draw some. I have to draw some FEGs in. Hope everyone's doing well. Welcome back to the Infinity Show. I shrunk my size today. It felt a lot better. I don't know. I think January, February, I was inching up my size. And I felt myself getting emotional. You don't want to get when you're in a trade and you feel emotional, you're playing too big. That's what I always hear. You're playing way too big if you get in a trade and you feel emotional. So it's best when you feel that, you just got to shrink your size. I'm debating right now. We're right at like some, might use some, big bounce to the downside, man. I mean, big flush to open. Things looked good at first, and then that 935 candle came in hot. That 935 candle came in hot. We have Trump speaks at 1:30. They said that in the Discord. They said they're supposed to announce a deal with TSM. That's very interesting. Mike sounds good. If I start to get choppy, please let me know. I'm still tweaking these. I'm still tweaking these OBS. These OBS settings. We'll see how it works out. I gotta watch it to see if it's to see how the clarity. If I start chopping, let me know. All right, let's see. It's a couple seconds off. Trying to get it as close to live as possible. All right, let's see if we'll. Oh man, I meant to hit that from down from VWAP. I'm not gonna chase it. If I do anything, it'll be like a small position. Oh man, she's gone. Chopping along. We got FEG right here. I'm not gonna chase it. Let's see what's going on. Got Topstep up. Topstep headed back to the downside. NQ. Let's see what it can do. 20,800 held well, so we'll see. Yeah, the bear chart looks bear chart. Let's see how things go. Hope everyone's doing well. We got a fresh month. I gotta track these trades as well. Back test them. Back test with the smaller size and the slightly larger stop loss. We'll see what happens. I need to get to how to draw these fibs on QQQ as well. Q, 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 Q. Why is this thing giving me a different? Maybe I have to make it wider. Hope everyone's doing well. Let's keep on going, guys. Welcome. All right, guys, let's go. Yeah, I definitely should have hit that from the beat down from VWAP. That was a nice play. What was the high on that? 36 to, oh my gosh, that was a nice blush. Yeah, I missed that. Definitely wanted to hit that. We have a fresh 1 hour candle right now, 11 o'clock candle. Let's see how she reacts. If we get back up to VWAP right now, it's looking, the bears have the advantage. The bears have the advantage. So I'm going to play the trend to the downside. We'll see how things hold. Let's see if they hold things to the upside. Early trend line. Early trend line. See what happens. Hope everyone's doing well. Welcome back to the Infinity Show. Let's get it. So far on the PAs, I'm green. Getting one close to a payout. Let's go Apex. So trying to get this Apex. Let me see if I can switch to it real quick. So this PA is getting pretty close. Pretty close to a payout. So I'm like 1,000 off from just pulling the minimal payout, but I'm trying to grind it up. I want to build a cushion on it, so we'll see how this week goes. But made a quick 290 on it this morning, 283 after fees. All right, looks like the video is smooth right now. I'm tweaking these settings on the streaming platform, so bear with me. If I start chopping around, let me know. They said I was teleporting. I was teleporting the other day. I was on this side of the screen, and I was on this side of the screen. Crazy. YouTube, man. I appreciate everybody that subscribed over the weekend. We're growing bit by bit. Bit by bit, man. So let's see what they can do. I have to do add these up as well. Yeah, right now the trend is to the downside. But we'll see if the bulls can find some type of support right at 20,864. That's a daily FEG midpoint. Daily FEG midpoint. Let me see if I can put these in group them up. Here we go, bulls. Here we go. It's March, fresh month. Let's see how the bulls work. They came in really hot into the close on Friday, so that was a good sign. Hopefully they can hold these levels. Because the last week of the month was treacherous for the bulls. Treacherous. It was bad, man. One day, 2,800. Was it 2,800 points? I think that was from top to bottom. From the 22,000s down to 20,000. That was 2,800 points to the downside. That's insane. If you're new here, welcome to the Infinity Show. Like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell, and you'll know when I go live. I tried to get on earlier, but had some things to do this morning. Shout out to everybody in the Discord. Yeah, right now we are, yeah, they're pushing back down. We have some support levels down here, though, so hopefully we can hold. Hopefully we can hold. So we'll see. Let me draw these fibs real quick. QQQ got up to pre-market high and got slapped down. Oh, this is a key level too. This is pre-market low. Key level. It's 11 o'clock. I kind of want to leave these accounts alone. I might use like something small though. Use some micros. Make sure I stay green on the day. That's the key. That's what I'm focusing on in March. There were too many times when I went over my trades in February and January, I would be up green, like heavy green. And then I'll just keep trading away into the afternoon. And I know not to do that. But for some reason, I felt like I had diamond hands in January and February. Because I was copy trading too, so that adds another layer. But yeah, I'm no more copy trading. I'm done. At most, I'll trade like 2 or 3, maybe 2 at the same time, max. But other than that, yeah, I make too many like bad decisions. When I'm copy trading 10 funded accounts, it's a lot of emotions. I'm still following my plan, but still, it's just like, yeah. Because I just have like a PTSD from blowing 10 plus funded accounts in the span of 2 days. It's not a good feeling. QQQ is falling back below its pre-market low. I'm watching that. I'm watching that level. Shout out to Eric. Number 72 is in the building, man. I saw your gains in the Discord, man. Nice. What? Which prop is that? I didn't even read it. But I saw the P&L. Shout out to Eric. My guy Eric is in the building. Yeah. QQQ is struggling a bit right now. Let's see if they can get back into pre-market. Where is the high? What's our high? What's our high? Hold on. I gotta look that up. Shout out to Eric. I traded pre-market for the most part, and got some gains on Apex accounts. Got a couple funded accounts. They're moving, so I'm trying to get the payout this week. I got to get these payouts rocking and rolling again. The API incident in January kind of threw things off, but it's all good. Just got to rebuild. Triple F, nice. TPT eval, nice. Take profit trader, man. That daily payout is different. Everyone that I know that has it's like having the personal account, man. It's definitely like having a personal account. Did I do that? Yeah, man, I'm building back up, man. I appreciate it. Bit by bit. Right now, I'm okay with a couple hundred per day, man. Just build it back up. I think I was getting spoiled in January. On Topstep, I would start an Express account and be up like 4 or 5K. And I think I got spoiled off of that. 4 or 5K, and then I'll grind it down into the afternoon. It was a roller coaster to start the year. I think I was putting too much pressure on myself. It was my birthday month. It's a lot going on. But it's all good. Now I'm getting back on the tracks. I'm gonna keep things pushing to the upside. All right, let's see what they can do. Bulls need to get back above 21,000. 21,000, a key level. We dropped how many? Like 300 points? That's insane. From 9:35 Eastern, yeah, for 25 minutes, we fell like 300 points. That's crazy at the open. Shout out to Eric in the building. I'm watching to see if these bulls can get back above yesterday's close, or hold yesterday, or not yesterday's close, Friday's close. Right now, the 4 hour on NQ is trying to hold on, but it's not. These bears still have the advantage on the 4 hour. The 15, the 5, well, the 15 is starting to go underwater as well. That's not good. The 1 hour is kind of struggling to get back. Yeah, bears have the advantage right now. Do they sweep lows? That would be crazy. And right now we have that 4 hour EMA in the way. What's the level? If we crack this, I might take like a little mini position. Mini position, just to play around with it. Yeah, Bears are not playing. So it looks like when you look at seasonality, oh wow. When you look at seasonality, it looks like March, we still pull back a little bit, and then maybe after the first or second week, then we start pushing north. We have non-farm on Friday. Keep that in, remember that. Non-farm is on Friday. Then you have CPI on March 12th. Will this trend hold? We'll see. Oh, another thing, getting back into the groove of waiting for the retest. Confirmation, man. I was kind of getting away from that to start the year, but gotta be more patient. 900 is a key level. Let's see if it can hold. Yeah, it's just a lot of traffic up above for the bulls right now. Insane. The 4-hour EMA resistance is, let's see, 20,922. So they got to get above that and hold. That's been like the resistance for the last, what, like 20 minutes? 15 minutes? They keep slapping down at this level right here. So we'll see if that we can reclaim the EMA and push. We'll see. Nice pop up from 20,900. The trend is still holding. But yeah, the bears still have the EMA trend. Let's see what happens. Fresh 1 hour is working. We will see. We got 1 hour FEGs. I gotta type in the levels too, right? Let me see. Yeah. Let's get some levels typed up. Yeah, bears are not. Bears don't want to give up that VWAP. They definitely don't want to give up that VWAP. It's looking rough. We'll see if they push. 900 is key. Let's see if they can hold. Fresh 15 coming. I'm going to test my luck. Ooh, what did I just do? Oh, multi-bracket. That's what it is. Turn the bracket off. Looks like they're getting weaker. It depends on that pre-market low, too, on QQQ. We'll see if it can hold. Does it want to hold, or do we flush below? All those levels are lining up right now. Friday's close, that will be interesting.
Order filled.
Let's try it. Risk 100. The way it's looking, SPY is looking weak. Give myself like 20 points. Testing to see if we get a flush. Yesterday's close is critical. Ooh, bulls are coming in hot. About to stop out. Yeah, bulls are coming in hot. Looks like they want to reclaim.
Stop filled.
Yeah, they're pushing. That was a FEG right here, too. Let me mark that out. They're holding, we'll see. The 1 hour's pushing. 4 hours reclaiming that EMA. Let's see what they can do. If they can get back above that VWAP, then maybe we can push to the upside. SPY is below its close from yesterday. From Friday. QQQ is below. Dow is below. So I'm trying to see if I can rock with the bears today. We'll see. This looks like it's going to hold that support though. Let's see what happens. We have Trump at 1:30, right? 1:30 in the afternoon, 1:30 Eastern time. Can the Bulls fight? Looks like they got a little bit of momentum. Let's see what they can do. Gotta zoom in on my 15. Shout out to number 72 in the building. Shout out to Eric, man. Oh, that's yesterday's high too. I mean Friday's high. I keep saying yesterday's. That's Friday's high. $509.29. They're trying to push. We're in the middle of the range right now. Let's see what it can do. Let's see what it can do. They're pushing. Here come some bulls. Let's see what they can do. They're holding. At least we're above that 22 level. So we'll see if they can push up. These were some good entries off the VWAP. I mean, off the trend line and FEG midpoint. They're pushing. Can we go back up? NQ's high from last week, or no, the high from Friday is 20,944.75. We'll see if they can pop above that. The 15-minute candle has work to do. I might test my hand above VWAP.
Order filled.
Small positions, very small positions. Risking 100. What was my entry? Right at VWAP. We'll see if she can push a little bit. Playing around with some micros. Let's see if we can bust above this this trend line, the upper trend line. Here we go, bulls. Here we go. Nice push. Can we crack above? We'll see. Can we crack above? Come on, guys. Nice push. Catching her at the, okay, this is the key level right here. Let's see if we can bust above. Can she push? Caught it right at VWAP. Nice push, guys. Move my stop up. I can't have brackets with a copy trade. Whoa.
Stop filled.
Yeah, if you copy trade, can't have brackets. I think I can on I haven't tried it on Topstep. I wonder if I can have brackets on Topstep. Let's see if we can grind this thing up. Get a retest. That was a nice push. We needed that. Or NQ needed that. Now we're above we are above Friday's high. That's 20,944. 25. Let's see if she can go. I'm looking for maybe a retest of that VWAP and then push back up. After a push like that, it's going to breathe, and then that'll help us keep going. Momentum's to the upside, though. Now, 1 hour has reclaimed EMA trend, the 1 hour chart. So we'll see what she can do. Bulls are holding the line so far. Let me go to my, where did I draw my QQQ? It's my QQQ high. Oh, there they go. They're pushing. Let's go. 21,000 is key. They need 21,000. 21,000 is super key. Oh, we're getting a push. Let's see if they can get up there. 21,000 is the goal. NQ Bulls. Typing in the Discord. Let's go, guys. Nice push. 21,000 is key. Can they get up there? The daily FEG held well. That midpoint, it was 20,864. We kind of danced around it for a little bit. But overall, ooh, here comes a pullback. I might take this one. If we can hold. Right at the VWAP, can they hold? Woo! Pullback action. We're right at
Order filled.
We're right at where are we at? We're right at yesterday's not yesterday's, Friday's high. Will they reject it or do we reclaim? Right now, the bears are angry. Jeez. Pressing back down. If they can't reclaim that, that's not good. We're back inside day. What is it? 20,944.25. We'll see if we can get back above there. If they can't, then the bears are back in the driver's seat. VWAP is important to reclaim. Might put it right at the low. What's the low? 22. 900 key level. Let's see if they can hold. Come on, Bulls. I'm rooting for the Bulls, man. They got their behinds beat into the end of February. That was crazy. 2,800 point drop in a couple of days on NQ. Whoever was short had a great time to the downside. Yeah, bears are holding, looks like. What are they going to do? We need to get bulls. In order to keep pushing, we need to stay above VWAP. But right now, it's not looking like it. It's not looking too good. Yeah, they're pressing.
Stop filled.
Big press. Wow. The bears are still hanging around. They're still hanging around. Let's see. They're still hanging around. Now, SPY isn't looking too good. Back to the downside. Can they hold? 900 key level. Let's see if they can hold, NQ can hold that at least. Big candle to the downside. Whoa, here come the bears. These bears are relentless. Wow. Was this a trap? What is going on? We're back below 900, guys. Will 900 hold? We'll see. We got a fresh 15-minute candle coming. The way this one is ending, that does not look good. Let's see.
Order filled.
I'll take it back to the downside again. Can the bulls hold, or do we flush? This candle is massive. Can they hold the line? We got one more minute. Do they pop back up? 900 is the key level. I'm watching for continuation. Wow. They're trying to hold it up. Just playing around with some micros right now. Playing around with some micros. If the bears got underneath this swing low, we got space to the highs. I mean, space to day lows. Right now, QQQ's pre-market low is trying to hold. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's not good. Yo, these bears are angry right now. What in the world? Can they hold? Nice push back up. Do we get continuation, or do we... Oh, wow. Yeah, bears are angry. If we crack this trend, we got space down. But we have the FEG down there. Just in case they pop it up, I might have to do break even. Just to protect. Let's see if it can hold. Right now, we're right at QQQ's pre-market low. It's going to be a battle right here. Between here and 900, it's going to be a battle. It's going to be a battle. Can we get back above 900? Trend line is holding. Yeah, definitely a tricky morning. Shout out to MLH. Market may be waiting for Trump, yeah. Trump coming in hot at 1:30 1:30 p.m. 1:30 Eastern. Afternoon Trump talk. Yeah. So it's been back and forth. The Bears pulled the rug at 9:35. Insane. I thought we would like try to hold 21,000. They came in hot. I was like, uh-oh, this looks like last week. This looks like last week, guys. I was like, here we go again. Here we go again. What's that, 14? Bulls are trying to hold the line. We'll see. We're in this little zone right here. Trying to see if we can get a break. Because the way these bears are pressing down, it looks like they want to go back for lows. Go back to day lows. But we'll see. They're definitely trying. That's a fact. 2019, 20,919 is the EMA, 4-hour EMA for, I'll put it right above. 4-hour EMA for resistance on the 4-hour for NQ. So I'm trying to see if we break this trend. Watching for the break. This break definitely didn't hold. That was a fake out breakout. Bears were waiting above. If you look at the 15-minute trend, Yeah, they were waiting. You can see it. Let's see if we get a flush here through this trend line. If they flush here and we break below this swing low, we got space to day lows. That's 848, right? That's 40 points down. Let's see if they can hold. FEG could hold as well. So we'll see. QQQ's pre-market low is failing right now. We'll see if they can reclaim. SPY's looking weak. We'll see. They're like dancing around in this area. I might put my stop at break even because it's trying to make a decision. I'm waiting for the flush, but it's kind of struggling. It's like tug of war at this 900 level. So we'll see. Can the bulls hold, or we'll just take a small loss? Looking for it to break down. The way SPY looks like right now, they want to get back to day lows. But this is also the same place we popped up like 30 minutes to an hour ago. So we'll see. SPY is giving it up. Here we go. That swing low is my target. Yeah, that swing low is my target. If we can go further than that, I'll take it. At this point, I gotta take something, right? Stop is at break even, just in case. Okay, fresh 5. Does it want to pop up or does it want to flush? A stop is right at the trend line. Bulls are holding it. Bulls want to hold. Let's see if the trend line holds. The trend line is like right there. So if they reclaim the trend line, then I'm like, okay, the bulls are back. But if we keep flushing, then I'm still with the bears. So I'll put my stop right in within here. Yeah, it looks like they want to push back up. But 900 is also my compass. So yeah, they're pushing.
Stop filled.
This FEG is holding. It's holding. And now QQQ is trying to reclaim. This level is going to be tough for the bears. We'll see if they can hold. If you flip the chart, the bears have the trend. Is that a fake out? Let's see. We have fibs around this level too. Or no, this is, again, we're back at 20,864. That's a midline of a daily, I believe, let me check it, double check one more time. It's either like a weekly or a monthly FEG. Oh, she's going for it. We could play the flush down from
Order filled.
the trend line. That's a monthly FEG, the middle of a monthly FEG, 20,864. So there could be some bulls here, but we'll see if they hold or we shoot for the lows. Right now, they're shooting for the lows. Wow. Swing low, about to get torched. I think it's 20,848. We just cracked it. So now we have the bulls have a dilemma because we have space to day lows if they want to keep going. If they break through this FEG, it's not looking good. There they go. Wow. They tested that trend line and popped it back down. Let's see how low they go. Will they bounce it from here? Come on. Do we get continuation or not? Right now, they don't want continuation. The gap is holding. Nice buy up. We'll see. Still playing this trend line right here. Let's see. That was a fake out. Maybe a fake out. There we go. Goal is day lows. That is the goal. That's the tricky thing with Apex too, man. You can't let it. With Topstep, you can kind of let it go, but with Apex, you kind of have to take the profit because of the trailing drawdown. The trailing drawdown is annoying. All right, I gotta leave with something, guys. Come on. Do we get continuation to the downside or no? Come on, Bears. What we doing? 100 or more, I gotta take it. Just to add to the pot. If we can get 50 more, I'll be 1,000 off of from payout on this PA, this particular PA. I think they want 800. 64 again, right? Ooh, 40 is a fib level. I just saw that. 40 is a fib level. 40.73.
Order rejected.
40.73 is the fib level. That's where we're kind of getting that bounce. I still think we can get lower though. If we retest that line, we have a fresh 5 coming in right now in the middle of the FEG. They might go back up and test that trend line, or we flush. 64 key level. These bears are relentless, man. They are relentless. They are relentless. We have lunchtime, lunch o'clock hour coming in hot. Trying to see if they sweep these lows, man. Ooh. Do they want to go?
Order filled.
I'll put my stop right at the top. What was it, 57? Let's see if we get... I'm looking for continuation down here, but if we don't get it, we don't get it. Ooh, they're sweeping. Let's see how far they go.
Stop filled.
They are... they're trying, but it's a struggle. Scalping. Looking for a move maybe to 800 if they can do it, but this candle's kind of in the middle of nowhere. Scalping around, scalping around. I want to get this account above 51,600. But I'll wait. 40.73 key level. Could be some bulls holding. I think they want to push back to the middle of that monthly FEG. If we retest up there, I'll continue with the bears to the downside. We'll see. before lunch, let's see what they can do on the next 15. Bulls are trying to hold this FEG. They're struggling a bit. I gotta make this smaller, right? Yeah. Here they come. They're pushing back to that EMA. If you can see it, let me switch it to Topstep. Topstep, you'll be able to see like the flip. Shout out to Dev Trades. Dev Trades showed me this trick. So on my Thinkorswim, I have the inverse charts up as well. But just look. let's say you were playing to the upside. Doesn't this look good to the upside? EMA's coming through the VWAP. We're pushing up, but just from the bear perspective. It's Alt I. On Thinkorswim, I just do it manually. I just have other charts up that are the inverse. That was kind of the retest. We have a minute and a half to the fresh 15. They want to get down to 800, man. We'll see. We're kind of in the middle of nowhere. I'm waiting for like a push maybe to up here. Like the 70, 80 level, and then back to the downside if they can't hold. 40.73, 840.73 is kind of it is a fib level. Down from there we have space to 788.50. 800 then 788. It looks like they want to continue, but we'll see. They're getting to it. They're getting to it. Woo! Look at that. They want those lows. What is this, a 15? This is a 15. Let's go to the 5. This is a fake out breakout on the 5. But if you look at the 15, it's on trend. It's definitely on trend. Can I flip this chart too? I wonder. Let me see if I do. I kind of don't want to mess with it. Don't mess me up, Tradeovate. Do not mess me up. All right. Yeah, it doesn't work on there. Don't mess me up, Tradeovate. Bulls are holding, man. They're trying to hold this gap between 840 and 864. It's going to be interesting. Choppy action right here. The 1 hour is back below water. The 4 hour is back below water. The 15 is back below water. The 5 is back below water. What does the daily look like? Let's look at the daily. And we have fresh monthly candles. Fresh monthly candles. Yeah, it looks like they still want to press down, but I'm waiting for like a retest of this EMA. If we get back up there, I'll test it back to the downside. Even if we get up to like 64, I'll try it. What's the EMA? EMA is 80, right? So 60, I need at least 65. 65 to 70 is like my entry. Or this high. What's this high? 65? Yeah. We'll see. These Bears aren't playing. They are not playing any games. Here we go. They're pushing. Let's see how far they push up. QQQ is going to try to come up and retest its pre-market low. We'll see if it can get up there. A little bit more of a push up here. I'll take it back to the downside. Scalper. Now, if we pierce this EMA, then I can't. I have to relax. We'll see how far it pushes up. I'll get in maybe next candle. Wait for the next candle, man. Wait for the next candle. 64 key level. If we get back up to 900, that is the 15-minute EMA. 15-minute EMA resistance on the 15-minute chart. Let's see what it can do. There you go. They're going to test it. If we can get like into the 80 range, I'm taking it back to the downside. 90, is that a fib? 80, how far did we go? Oh, did I miss it? Dang it, I think I missed it. Come on. If we get back into the, oh yeah, I think I missed it, man. What is the high? 79. I want the 80s. Somewhere in the 80s, and I'll take it back to the downside. Even if it can kind of like pop up and get me, I'll let it pop up and get me. I want at least the 80s though. There it goes.
Order filled.
Let's see if they reclaim this trend line. The trend line is important. We'll see how far they go. Nice push. 900 is my compass. Let's see if they can reclaim. I'll put it at like 905. Let's see if they can reclaim 900. If they reclaim it, then you got to give it to them. Let the bulls do their thing. Stay out of the way. She's pushing. Where is it, 150? Yeah, 150. They're pushing, nice push. Oh, QQQ reclaimed its low from its pre-market low. So bulls might be coming. Oh, there was some liquidity down there, huh? They're pushing. Nice push. 900 is reclaimed. Heck of a candle. They're pushing. They're gonna stop me out. Yeah, if they hold 900, I'll stop out. Back in the trend. Fresh 15 or fresh 5 minute. Yeah, they pushing. Nice push.
Stop filled.
They held. Back above 900. The bulls are putting up a fight. That was day lows, right? Yeah. Bulls are definitely putting up a fight. What's going on in the Discord? We're back to VWAP, just like that. So basically, if you look at the 15 is pulling back to support right now. But does it hold? That's the question. That is the question. Or do we try to hit this upper trend line again? Each time we've gotten up here, they've pulled the rug. Right here, right here. And let's see if it happens right here. This has been the range. Like that 85, 985, all the way to, what is this? The low 800s. So you gotta bounce, bounce, bounce. Bulls are holding the line. Let's see how the bears respond. If you're new here, welcome to the Infinity Show, guys. We're chopping around right now. Trying to get this PA to pay out. I'm like 1,000, 1,200 off a payout. Getting a little bit of resistance. Will the 15 reclaim? We'll see. This level held. I thought the bears could probably get down to these lows, 800, but the bulls came in hot. They're holding. Let's go, bulls. What do they want to do? We got Trump in an hour and a half, roughly. Avinash, how's it going? Shout out to Avinash. 114 is in the building. Any trades today? Shout out to Avinash. I'm just chopping around, playing around with some micros, trying to add to this funded account. Roughly like 1,000 and some change away from payout. Working to get this thing up. If we go into, let's see. So this is going to be interesting. Let's see how the 1 hour opens. Is it going to be above this 4 hour? 4 hour, we have a fresh 4 hour coming in an hour. Let's see how it works. Let's see if the candle can hold. Oh no, take your time. Shrink your size, man. You said you're on a losing streak? No. Sorry to hear that, man. I've been on a losing streak all February, man. I don't know what's going on. But I do have these funders that are close to payout, man. It's been a journey. I don't know. I was looking over my trades. I think I've just been playing too big. So now I've shrunk my size, 1 mini or less. So we'll see. Fresh 5 coming in 5 minutes, guys. We're testing. What are we testing? Friday's high once again. Let's see if it holds. We could go contrarian right here. We'll see if the 15 holds. What is this 1 hour EMA? Do they want to hold below it? What's been going on, Avinash? Talk to me, man. Playing too big? What's happening? Not waiting for setups? Or is it just the choppy action? It's just been, the price action has been crazy the last week into the end of February. Where do the bears want to take this, man? Okay, we're getting a VWAP rejection right here. Let's see if they want to hold or crush down. What do they want to do? It's not looking too good. We're rejecting off of that level again. What was the high on this? 36? Yeah. Our high from Friday is 20,944.25. So it's going to be very interesting how we react at this level. Do we pop back up or does it work as resistance like over here? Oh, into half. Okay. So what's happening? You're not entering at your levels? Are you chasing? What's happening? What does your journal say? All right, we got a fresh 1 hour candle coming in hot, guys. Can they hold? 1 hour is above. It's 9 EMA. Let's see how it can. Do we play with the bears right now? Let's see if we play with the bears. 44.50 is the level. Let's see where the bulls want to take it. Does this act as resistance or we'll see. Right now it's trying to act as resistance. That's crazy. Or can the bulls sneak up? We'll see. Last couple of candles have been strong, so we'll see if they can pop it up. Shout out to everyone here. Hope you're doing well. Like, comment, subscribe, share, guys. Hit the notification bell. You know when I go live. They're trying. I might go contrarian here. We'll see. Bulls are pushing, but they're struggling at this VWAP. And this is what level is this? Oh yeah, that's a 43 is a weekly gap fill. Let's see.
Order filled.
I'm gonna test my hand. Do the bears want to give it up? Let's see if the bears give it up. What's the VWAP? 38. I'll put my stop right above the VWAP. Risk $100. Let's see. Do they want to flush us or do the bulls hold? Basically, this is a VWAP entry. We'll see if they can hold or they pop it up. Bulls looking strong. We have a fresh 1 hour coming in less than a minute. It's a battle at the VWAP. Bulls are pushing, man. Nice. We'll see if they can hold. What did I get in? 26. $20. Fresh 1 hour candle, fresh everything. We'll see if they reject. VWAP key level, man. My stop is above the VWAP. Ooh, that was not good. I don't know what that was, but the bears are like sending a message to the downside right now. We'll see if they can hold. Fresh 1 hour, guys. Do they want to turn things around? We'll see right here. Yesterday's close is critical. Can they hold? So far, so good. They're holding. Do they hold or do we flush? Fresh 1 hour candle, guys. Oh, it's looking weak. Big battle right here, though. Definitely a big battle. Let's see if we get back into this FEG. They're breaking this trend line, so we'll see how far they go. Here we go. We're getting some flush, guys. Oh, I need continuation. Give me some continuation, guys. Give me some All right.
Stop filled.
Well, give me some continuation, man. I'm still playing into the downside. I like how this trend line, they're working this trend line. I don't think it's going to hold.
Order filled.
I'll put my stop right above VWAP again. It's like 38, right? 38. Risk like 150 to make 150. 1 to 1. I want 300. Let's see where it goes. 45. I'm looking for a flush. We're getting like a perfect turnaround at VWAP. And this trend line is cracking again. We'll see. I might keep it at break even. We'll see. They're trying to hold. SPY's looking flimsy right now. SPY's looking real flimsy. If SPY starts turning over, then we all turn over. We got to get below this EMA, though. What's that? 03, 900 is going to be a test. Can we get below 900? If we get below 900, then we have some space down to like the 60s, 860s, 880s. Somewhere in that area. Looking for continuation, guys. Let's go. Get down there. Can we get down there? I got to leave with something. 900 is key. Come on.
Stop filled.
They're trying, but it's just not. It's just not. What are my levels looking like? 90.
Order filled.
I'm trying to go with the Bears. Let's see what they can do. I'm on the Bears team right now. Stop above VWAP. Stop right above VWAP. VWAP is my compass right now. And this trend line is my compass. And that FEG down below is my compass. I'm watching all of those levels. That 900 level is critical if the bears want to keep going down. Looking for a break below 900. We'll see if we can get it. It's choppy right now. People are waiting on Trump, it looks like. We'll see. Yeah, it's looking rough. Tug of war right here. Tug of war. Spies trying to hold. 900 is the level to break. Yeah, 900 is the level to break. We have 1 minute until a fresh 5-minute candle. We'll see. Robert, how's it going? Shout out to Robert. Shout out to Robert, guys. Yeah, I'm just chopping around. I'm playing VWAP back down to the downside. We'll see if we get any flush. Looking for a flush back to like day lows. Bears have been strong. So we'll see. Either they pop it back up or we flush. 900 is the key level on NQ right now. I'm playing around with some micros on this Apex funded account. I'm trying to get this thing to pay out this week. I'm at 51,500, like 1,100 off of payout. Playing the VWAP down, trying to see if we get some flush, guys. Fresh 5-minute coming in right now. 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Let's see how this reacts. Do we pop back up to VWAP or do we flush? 900 is a key level, guys. Key level. Very key. Robert, how are you doing today? Did you snipe anything? Did you play anything? We're sitting here watching this price action. Trump talks at 1:30, so the algos are confused. Here come some bulls. They're pushing. The VWAP is my compass. We'll see if we get back above there. If we don't, if we do, cool. My stop is up there. If we don't, then we push back to the downside. 922 key level. That's the middle of a daily FEG. I feel like these are fake outs to the upside, but we'll see. If you flip the chart, it looks like we're doing okay. Let's go to the Topstep chart. The VWAP is holding if you flip it, but we'll see. 20,937 is the resistance. Looking for a curl over to the downside. 900 is the key level that we have to break if the bears want to keep going to the downside. But if they can't break it, then bulls can gather momentum at this level and push. We also have yesterday's close. What is yesterday's close? Like 20,909? That's key too. I think that's 20,909, right? They're pushing. Here comes some bulls. Oh, they're spiking. We'll see if they can hold this or, oh, it looks like they want to hold. I get stopped out right here. Nice push. Bulls coming in hot. Robert, did you trade anything today? Shout out to Robert in the building. They're pushing. Here comes some bulls. They're trying hard to get above VWAP. It's a battle. It's like tug of war. It looks like the bulls want to do it. There they go. There they go. Nice push. You got to give it to the bulls. They're holding. They're holding the line. Can they get above? Now, if they get above, the key is to hold it. Or is this another fake out? This might be another fake out. This is why I put my stop above VWAP, because there's so much going on in this area. The algos are trying to like figure themselves out. So I just wait. If they push through, then the bulls are back in action. But for right now, it's acting as resistance. We'll see if it can hold. Yeah, that might be another fake out. We'll see. We will see. The bulls are trying, man. You got to give it to the bulls. Hopefully they push up. I'm rooting for the bulls, even though I'm short right now. I want them to hold on for the long, for the portfolio, for the portfolio's sake. There it is. That's a tricky. It's getting tricky, guys. If we get below that EMA on the 5, that 9 EMA, we got some space down. Let's see if we can get some gains. Trying to get this account to like 1,000 off of 1,000 away from payout, but we'll see. Wow, the bulls tried. They almost did it. 900 is key level. If we crash below that, we have space down. Right now we're wicking off of VWAP. That's not looking too good. We'll see though. We are wicking off VWAP, guys. See if we can get like a 2. They're holding, trying to hold. What's going on here? Ooh, fresh 5. They opened up nicely though. They're above the EMAs. We'll see. They can spin it right here if the bears, if they can't hold them above the, if they can hold above these EMAs, they have a shot to the upside. Staircase up, elevator down, man. Crazy. They might want to test the 40s again. Again, NQ's high for Friday is 944.25. Looks like they're trying to grind back up there, but the bears are just not letting them. What is it? 944.25. I think that's where my stop is. 944.25. I'll put it at 944.25. What's 944? Yep, right there. So that's basically the high. So I'm looking for it to turn over and head back to lows. Ideally day lows. What's that? 760. $760 is what? It's all the way down there. If we track back down there, yeah, it's a long way down. I don't know if they're gonna push back down there. We'll see. Bulls are trying to hold on right now. We have a fresh 15 coming in 4 minutes, 3 minutes. So we'll see how this 15 acts. If it opens below the EMA, then we're back to the downside. Let me figure out where the EMA is first, though. They're trying. Okay, here comes some bulls. Can they hold on? That is the question. 44. Oh, they're going for it. Nice. I think it's 909, yeah. The bulls are definitely putting up a fight, but it's choppy. We're not getting any direction. Yeah, 20,909. That is the close from Friday. And they're kind of holding that level. If we finish, but if the next 5 opens below that or below 900, then we're headed back down. Ooh, here it goes. That was another check-in at the VWAP, right? Let's see if the VWAP holds strong. Target is this swing low. I'm scalping, guys, scalping. So into the 800s, that's the goal. Get into like the 8. This low is what? 31. Dang, we got space down. If the bears want to continue to the downside, we got space down. Right now, VWAP is holding like a brick wall, but bulls can break that wall. Nice push. They're trying. If they get above VWAP, I'll just stop out. The 20,944.25 is the high from Friday. So the bulls are trying to grind back up there and at least sweep it. That's what it looks like they want to do. It's tug of war, guys. Tug of war. Who has the momentum? If you look at the MACD, bulls have the momentum right now. They're trying. But the bears definitely have something going on up here. There's a wall up here somewhere in this level. Just look at these candles. 1 and 2. Big candles down. And it's lunchtime, so the volume, the momentum is going to be all over the place. Man, look at the price action in the last 20 minutes. I don't like trading during lunchtime. What am I doing? But we're just on here trying to put on a show. Come on, guys, put on a show. All right, here we go. We're getting a reject. This is a 15-minute, fresh 15-minute candle. Let's see how she reacts. We're getting another push down from VWAP. Staircase up, elevator down, man. Look at this. Let's see, if we break through these EMAs right here, we have space down. What's the EMA on here? 911, 913 area. Once we get below 909, which is the close from Friday, then 900, which is a key round number, we have space down. Back into like this FEG. We'll see. It's a battle zone, guys. Battle zone. Nice pop back up. Bulls are back and forth right now. The algos are fighting it out. Nice push. Bulls look like they want to hold. 944.25. Nice push for the bulls. They tried. They're definitely trying. Can they hold? SPY is pushing. If SPY pushes, then we can all push. They got me.
Stop filled.
Let's see. 20,944 is 944.25 is the high. So can they hold? That's the question. It reached up there. Can it hold? They're trying to press. Let's see. Can they hold the line? Or is this another fake out? We'll see. If they can break through this trend line. Oh, did not mean to do that. All right, let's test it to the upside.
Order filled.
And see what they can do. Can they pierce up? Or do they pull back below VWAP? Got to make a decision right here. Definitely got to make a decision. Do we push back up to 21,000? We'll see. Nice push. Something's happening. Come on. Looking for the move back up here, if they can do it. The momentum is shifting, guys. We'll see. Can they push? I'm liking SPY right now, so hopefully the cues follow. Or is this another trap? Trap. Yeah, it's looking like trap. Back below VWAP. Let's see if they hold. Trump speaks in the hour, I believe. Yep. 1 hour. They're struggling. Back below VWAP, guys. Was this a trap? This looks like a trap. Squeeze and go. What are you guys trading out there? Anybody trading? Any good plays today? Watching to see if this momentum will shift to the upside, but it's just been a choppy day. Typical Monday. Monday vibes. $44 is key level. 44.25. 44.25 is last Friday's high. Let's see if we get some continuation. $44.25 is a key level. See if she can hold. Here we go, bulls. Here we go. 44.25 is like right here. Looking for a move in either direction, man. It's been tried to go short. Bears couldn't make it happen. Now the bulls are like pushing back up. We have Trump in the hour and 10 minutes. Hope everyone's doing well. Like, comment, subscribe, share, guys. Let's see if we can push back up to 21,000. Bears coming in hot. Man. Yeah, they want to take it back to the downside, it looks like. Can the VWAP hold? Oh, jeez. Didn't mean to do that. About to mess up my stop, man. Always use a stop loss, guys. Always use a stop loss. Yeah, it's a tug of war, man. I don't want to be trading during lunchtime. It's not fun, but we're here. They want to check in with VWAP. Back to the upside or to the downside. Who's going to win? We got a tug of war.
Stop filled.
Got him. Can they hold? $44 is
Order
the goal.
filled.
Trying to see, playing off of VWAP, that looked like a check-in. If it doesn't work, if VWAP can't hold, I'll be out again. Tighter stop this time. SPY's trying to push. Let's see if we can get something going. Yeah, that was definitely like a check-in at VWAP. We'll see if we can get some push. Can we get some push? Here we go. Or is it a trick? Whoa.
Stop filled.
It came right back down.
Order filled.
Can we get anything going, guys? I have my stop right at the bottom of the candle. Yeah, it's tough, man. Right at VWAP. Trying to see if we can get something going. Hasn't been any flush moves. It's just been chop all hour. Bulls look like they wanted to at least try to take off, but nothing so far. Can we get anything going? I'm right at break even. Dang. They can't
Stop
get anything
field.
going. They're like right there at at Friday's close or Friday's high. We're trying to get something off of that level, but it's just not going. 47. What's the level? It's like 25. If they come down there and get me, we'll see.
Order filled.
Oh, they're crashing. Bears do not want this level to hold, guys. 44.25 is the high from last Friday. We'll see if they can hold. It's a battle zone right now. Here we go. Getting some type of perk. Come on. Where is it? Come on, NQ. This is the NQ I know. Come on. Let's get up there. Let's challenge 21,000. Can we hold? Hope everyone's doing well. Trying to see if we can push up, but it's lunchtime. Getting chopped up a little bit, but we'll see. We have Trump in the hour. There's like some TSM news coming out. They announced the crypto reserve. Bitcoin got a nice bounce off of that. Got my stop right below VWAP. Let's see if we can get something going. Jeez. It's been a choppy day. Yeah, bears don't want this level to hold at all. It's tug of war right here at Friday's high. If they push down, I'll take another loss. Leave it alone. Yeah, they're flushing. Flush mode.
Stop filled.
Yeah, we tried to go, man. It didn't work. To the upside. Shout out to everybody in here. Let us know what you trade and how long you've been trading. If SPY, it's been chop mode, man. SPY turned around right at its close from last Friday. Do they want to continue? We shall see. But NQ is definitely getting a reject down from its high from on Friday. Staircase up, elevator down, man. Ooh.
Order
Let's try it to
filled.
the downside. One more time. Whoa. Where is my VWAP? Let's see if they hold or they stop me out. They stop me out right there. I gotta stop. Done for the day. VWAP is my compass once again. Trump in the hour. Trump gets on the mic in the hour. Yeah, can't get any clean moves. Not many clean moves today. It's been a struggle. Especially in this lunch hour. I usually don't trade during lunch. Yeah, Russell, a lot of it is. Shout out to Russell, man. Thanks for tuning in. It
Stop
is.
filled.
I also use like FBGs and order blocks. What do you trade, Russell? All right, yeah, I have to leave this one alone. What do you trade, Russell? And did you make any trades today? Yeah, usually if something's coming up like some news, we'll get chopped into the news, and after the news, we'll get a push in either direction. But I've been fighting this zone. Yesterday's or Friday's close, and it's high the whole hour, the whole lunchtime hour. I trade. Oh yeah, cool. Shout out to Russell. Russell's in the building. Should we try view up again? Trying to hold. Spy is like turning around at his close from Friday. Yeah, my strategy is like it's like a hybrid. I kind of take bits and pieces from everybody, bits and pieces from ICT, my own strategies that I've come up with, and VWAP, FEG's order blocks, day high, day low, and I kind of all put it all into one. Yeah, bulls are struggling, man. I'm looking for a move to 21, but they just cannot hold right now. Can they hold? Spies turning over. We've all been there, man. That's the market, man. The market will like whip you into shape. So if you keep making the wrong move, it'll whip you into shape. Shout out to Russell. How long have you been trading? Oh, you trade the 1 minute? Nice. Caught a decent squeeze up on NQ earlier. Nice. Shout out to Calypso. How long have you guys been trading and what do you trade?
Order filled.
Can the bulls hold? We're trying to get the bulls to do something, guys. Can the bulls hold? Or is this a fake out? I'm liking the candle. We wicked through VWAP again. I'm trying to be on the bull side right now, but it's a struggle. They cannot hold. They're really struggling. Stop below VWAP. Let's see if she can go. Russell, I took multiple time frames. Yeah, same here. I look at all the time frames. Top down analysis on my side. Can they hold? 44.25, 944.25 is the high from Friday. And they just cannot get above. If they could hold that, and we have a little bit of space up. Back at least to the swing high, but we're struggling. They can't hold. They're struggling, guys. Gonna stop out again. Trade the NQ, been trading 2 years. Nice. Are you trading props, Russell? Shout out to Calypso and Russell. Shout out to Eric from earlier. Eric is number 72, guys. Eric is number 72. Can we get anything going? Trump speaks in an hour. We have non-farm on Friday. We have CPI on March 12th. We're just stuck in this area, man. The algos are like back and forth, trying to get something going off of levels of support, but it's been a struggle. This is Apex, by the way. I'm trading Apex prop. Should put my stop at what's the bottom of this? 29. So right at the EMA. Let's see if they can hold it. This candle can't hold. It's a wrap. Back to the downside we go. Yeah, they're struggling. They can't hold. So basically yesterday, Friday's close or Friday's high is just, the bears are just sitting right there. They're not allowing the bulls through. Yeah, stopped out again.
Stop filled.
They got me, man. They got me good. Do you have a limit on how many trades you take? Yeah, usually I have like, on this one, usually I'll have like a stop, like on Topstep. I'll stop at like 400 if I'm down for the day. On Apex, I'll probably have around 800. It depends. Depends on the day, but yeah, right now it's choppy action. I'm getting chopped up, so I'm gonna stop. Topstep, I'll have a stop, right? But with Apex, they have that trailing drawdown. So with that trailing drawdown on Apex, you got to be careful with your stops. You got to have tight stops. And if you see some profit, you got to take it. Trump speaking soon. Yep. Let's flip to Topstep real quick. Yeah, because that thing, it follows your profit. It follows you up. So let's say you get in and you have, let's say it's a fresh account and you go up 1,000, right? And then you let it bounce around and then it comes back to break even. It looks like you broke even, right? But in actuality, you lost 1,000 on your drawdown. So it follows you around. So it can mess you up. Trump speaks at 1:30. Yeah, it's been chop mode since 12. I was looking for a move, man, above Friday's high, but they chopped me up. They chopped me up bad. Yeah, they attempted Calypso. They attempted, but they just couldn't get up there. What was the high? 29 on this swing high. 29 or 20,954. They almost got there. Let's see. It looks like they want to get back to the lows. The Bears have been disrespectful, guys. They've been disrespectful since last week, the last 2 weeks. Oh no. Yeah, majority of my payouts are from Apex. No issues with Apex. I think they denied me like once or twice during the time they were like switching the rules, but other than that, it's been smooth sailing. And then towards like fourth quarter last year, that's where I started up with Topstep and got some good payouts from them. I like Topstep. They don't have the trailing drawdown. The trailing drawdown is annoying, guys. Trailing drawdown. I gotta see this. Who said Russell? Russell has been. I think Russell said 2 years. They've been trading 2 years. Calypso, how long have you been trading? Are we getting the break? Let's see. Can we push? Can we push? Now this is the break. This is what I've been looking for, guys. This is crazy. This is what we've been looking for all how long? We'll see if they can press further. I'm liking the push. They're trying. The Bulls are definitely trying. We'll see if they can keep going. Let's see if they can push. At least up to that swing high, something. So 44 looks like she wants to hold now. We'll see. We'll see if it can hold. Can the bulls hold to the upside? Can we get some fresh day highs? Spies looking to north. They're pulling back. It is tricky out there, man. They're trying to get up there. Nice. I've been trading futures for rounds. Okay, nice. Overall, how long have you been trading? I started futures the beginning of last year. Calypso. Are you want to prove that I can get payouts with Topstep? Okay, and we'll move to on to Apex perhaps. Yep. So my top two I would say are Apex and Topstep because those are the two props I've gotten the most payouts from. And then after that, Buell Knox. Then you have what else? Take Profit Trader. That's another good one. Then you got Traderfy. I would say those are like my top five. We got Trump coming in hot. 45 minutes. They tried to go. There's like a wall. There's a wall of bears up here. Wall. There's a wall up here. It's definitely a wall. We're like chopping around in that gap. Bulls tried to push to 21,000 here and here, and they're just getting rejected, man. Rejections everywhere. We have a fresh 1 hour and a fresh 4 hour coming in less than 15 minutes. But yeah, usually I like to stop. Oh yeah, to Russell, I like to stop at like 400 to the downside. If I have a 50K account, 400 is where I like to stop. Oh, they're pulling the rug again. They're pulling the rug again. The Bears have just been relentless, man. Calypso trades NQ, ES, and YM. Nice. Are you guys in the WhatsApp? We have like a free WhatsApp chat. If you get in there now, I'll bump you guys up for free. Just let me know your screen name. The link is in the description. Shout out to Calypso and Russell. Hope everyone's doing well. If you hear my voice, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to the Infinity Show if it's your first time. Hit the notification bell and you'll know when I go live. Bears have a wall up, man. The Bulls cannot get through. They pulled the rug at the open. Yeah, that 960 level. Who was talking about? I think Calypso. Yep. They pierced it. They just can't. We can't get continuation. They are not letting anything fly. It looks like the. It looks like the stream is going smooth. Okay, I've had to like change my bit rate a couple times, trying to refine it. Have to run by subscriber. Nice. Thanks, Russell. Hey, if you want to get in the Discord, the link is in the description. I'll bump you up for free. Just let me know your name. Same with you, Calypso. Is Eric still in here? Shout out to Eric. Shout out to Avinash. Shout out to MLH. Thanks for tuning in, Russell. All right, let's see what we got. Tesla is struggling below 300. Tesla highs was in December was 488. We touched 288 on Friday. Crazy. Oh yeah, I have to switch out. All right, I think we're gonna wait until Trump gets on and let's see if we get a move with Trump. It's supposed to be like a TSM announcement. Trump announced the crypto reserve. Bitcoin is pumping off of that. Shout out to you guys for tuning in. Shout out to Avinash 114. Shout out to Robert. Whoa. Hold on 1 second, guys. Bears are sweeping down. Let's see. Yeah, it's been a back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. See if we can get down into. We breached 900, so it's got space down. If it holds, fresh 1 hour coming in hot. That's a 4 hour too. Yeah, it's not looking good for the Bulls right now. It is not looking good for the Bulls. Let's see what Trump has to say. Hold on 1 second. I need to get some more water. We are getting the flush. Here we go. Wow. We're getting the flush we were looking for. We got chopped up in this section though. Now they're going for day lows. If we get below this swing low, we got space down. What's this? 20,831. So Calypso says, I've been dabbling around 2 years, took a break, and got back into futures. Nice. Are you trading props? I think Russell said he's trading props, right? We're getting the flush, guys. We're below that swing low. Yeah, it's diving now. Bulls tried to hold here. They tried to hold here. Turned around at VWAP again. Got a fake out right here. Back to the downside. The Bulls have, or the Bears have been relentless, man. Even after that spike into the close on Friday, they're pushing back down. I thought the Bulls could at least try to get back above 21,000. They haven't been able to do it. Calypso, what if you're trading props, what props are you trading? We're headed back south. What oh, okay. See that too. What was the high for QQQ on Friday? was looking for that, right? Oh, it's right around. So QQQ's high was 508.70. Okay. It's roughly around. It's roughly around the pre-market low. 508. Oh no, slightly above that. 508. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, 508.78. That's what it was. Yeah, it tried. We are to the downside, guys. We rejected 3 times. Clean off the VWAP. This was cleaner. They pulled the rug here, pulled the rug here. Looked like they were going to get out of there those 2 times, but they couldn't hold. Headed back to the downside. Liquidity. Let's see if they get down to, where is it? 800. Yeah, we got space to 800. We're at 31. Yeah, space to 800. And then after that, it's 20,788.50. That's what I have marked out. Below 800. Let's see. SPY is almost back to its day lows. I'm watching these charts on the side. Keeping a finger on the pulse. Yeah, Tesla doesn't want to hold 300. Wow, Nvidia's down into the teens. Are we headed back to 100? That's crazy. We also we did the seasonality on, let's see. We're still in extreme fear. This is a fear greed index. Still in extreme fear. And then what else do we have? Seasonality is somewhere. Yeah, they're tanking it. 800 key level. Let's see if they can get down there. This is the seasonality. So in March, looks like we peak up, then pull. And then like before mid-March, we get back to the upside. This is the S&P 500 index seasonality. So we peaked in February, pulled back hard. Now we're in March. Let's see how it plays out. It might not work exactly the same, but it might rhyme. We'll see. Seasonality. Trump speaks in less than 30 minutes. We'll see how it reacts, how things react. We got 30 minutes. We'll see how things react. We will see how things react. Trump coming in hot. We have non-farm on Friday. Excuse me. Let's see what they can do. Let's see what they can do. Good afternoon, Live Records. Shout out to Live Records. Yeah, got chopped up a little bit earlier on Apex. Trying to play down from the VWAP. Just couldn't get a clean look. It was during lunchtime too, so that was expected. But now, right at the 1 o'clock hour, we got a flush. That's what I should have been patient for. The last 10 minutes before 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. Eastern time, things can get busy. Oh man, we're going for the lows. Let me see. NQ's going for day lows. Fresh SPY, wow. Fresh SPY lows right now. Fresh day lows for SPY. QQQ is looking to match that. Dow, fresh day lows. Insane. NQ wants those lows. This is the move I was looking for. I just shouldn't have executed during the lunchtime hour. Should have waited till 1. Live Records, did you trade anything? We're going for the lows. Wow. Shout out to Live Records. Shout out to Calypso. Shout out to Russell. Shout out to Avinash, Eric, and MLH. I appreciate you guys. And shout out to Gabby G. Gabby G. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Infinity Show. Like, comment, subscribe, share, guys. They're going for the lows. They just cracked it. Fresh NQ lows for the day, man. Insane. Insane. Nvidia lows, 115.52. Wow. The bears are still putting on their assault. Fresh monthly candles. Bears are going in right now. Jeez. Man. Wow, we're below we're into the 700s. That's a crazy drop. Wow. Whoa. We have a fresh FEG, 1 hour FEG, midpoint at like 20,725. We'll see if that holds or we crash to 700. Bears are still active, man. Crazy. We got space to, yeah, 700 if that can't hold. We'll see. Let's see if the FEG will hold. 1 hour FEG right at like 20,725. Wow. Tesla is tanking. Nvidia SMCI tanking. I wonder what this TSM news is going to do. We'll see what this TSM news is going to do, man. What did it say exactly? It said Trump and the chip maker Taiwan Semiconductor are expected to announce a $100 billion investment in the U.S. Interesting. The countdown to Trump. We'll see if what he says shakes up the market at all. We're already to fresh day lows. Wow. We're to the downside. They're not playing any games right now. Let's see how 700 reacts. We're crashing through FEGs right now. Hope everyone's doing well. Like, comment, subscribe, share, guys. Hit the notification bell, and you'll know when I go live. Fresh week, fresh month. What a drop. We've dropped from 960 to 700. 260 points in 30 minutes. Wow. Yo, live records, did you trade anything? VIX is back in the 20s. We're in the teens, back to the 20s. 700 swept. 704 is the low. Wow. Bears are launching an assault. Are we at the lows? What are the lows from Friday? I gotta look that up. We're charging towards those lows. It's below 20,500. Nice. Nice snipe. Yeah, it looks like all the bears piled in right before that 1 o'clock candle. And then we got continuation as soon as that 1 o'clock candle hit. Sometimes it depends. Right now I'm gonna stay till after Trump speaks. But sometimes I do all day if I can knock out everything I have to do in the morning. Sometimes I'll do all day, sometimes I'll do a short session and then go back to the Discord. But if you hit the notification bell, you'll know when I get on, no matter what. Where's ES? ES fresh. I know we have fresh lows for ES as well. Yep. Fresh day lows. But it said the link was expired. So that means let me get you a fresh link. Let's see. I think there were only like 10 slots on that one. Yeah, I gotta refresh that. Let's see. All right, give me a second, Calypso. I'll figure it out. Trump coming in hot. TSM announcement. 10 minutes. Trump will be on the mic. Hey Calypso, that's the new link. I'll update it in the I'll update it in the description. But that's the new link. Wow. Let's see. Yeah. I got you, Calypso. I appreciate you, Calypso. Thank you for tapping in. I appreciate it. I appreciate the support. Be safe. Take care. We'll lock in tomorrow. 700 looks like it's holding. We got Trump in 5 minutes. No. All right, let's see if Trump pushes us in either direction. Right now the bears are working hard. Trump is on the should be on the mic right now. Do I win or let's see. Let's see if we get a reaction. Wow. What a drop. I was not expecting this to start the month off. I was not expecting this to start the month off. Let's see. Wow. They're still pressing. How low they want Friday's lows? That's a long way down. If we get to Friday's lows, that would be crazy. Right now they're like pressing towards those lows. That's insane. All right, let's see what Trump has to say. Wow. We're just tanking right now. This is crazy. What a drop. What a drop. We're back to the downside. It looks like the Bears want to get back to lows, Friday's lows. That's crazy. Do we have another pullback? Nvidia's getting crushed right now. This is crazy. Back into the one day low is 114.51. Let's see. I'm trying to look for where is there going to be an announcement? Let's see. That is crazy. Island, da, 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 da. Oh no. Let's see. We're pushing lower. All right. We may or may not get a reaction off of this. I'm looking for it to see if anything's live right now. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to Calypso. Shout out to Russell. Shout out to Live Records. Shout out to Eric, number 72. We got Robert. Shout out to Robert. Shout out to Avinash, 114. Shout out to MLH. You guys are great. Like, comment, subscribe, share. If this is your first time here, welcome to the Infinity Show, guys. Let's go. I was waiting to see if there would be a reaction off of the 130 talk. Trying to see if there's anything live. Is there anything live right now? I don't see anything live. Yeah, I don't see anything. He's supposed to be on at like 1:30. Might be late. I don't see anything live. If you're new to the stream, welcome to the Infinity Show. Yo, these bears are going crazy right now. Fresh day lows for SPY, QQQ, Dow. Everything's to the downside. That pop at the close of Friday is getting destroyed right now. Let me go look at SPY and QQQ to see if we've cleared that pop. The pop into like the last hour on Friday, the bears are getting rid of it right now. Very interesting. Let's see. I gotta see if it's. Stay hydrated, guys. Yeah, it's just lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. Insane. I thought some monthly bulls would at least pop in. We cannot find them anywhere to start the month. All right, let's see. What a flush. I still can't find anything. What am I looking? I am trying to find something live. We can't get anything live. I don't see anything on YouTube. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to Russell, Calypso. If you're new here, welcome to the Infinity Show. Like, comment, subscribe, share, guys. Hit the notification bell and you'll know when I go live. The like button's free. Can we get a bounce? TSM. TSM announcing it wants to invest $100 billion. Is that how it went? Let's see. Trump and TSM are expected to announce a $100 billion investment in the U.S. Bessie letter. Nice pop. We're getting a little pop. Let's see if 700 can hold. What a drop, man. What a drop. You can't make this up. The Bears came in hot. Avanash. The flowers are never free, Avanash. Shout out to Avanash, man. Avanash brings joy. The flowers are definitely not free, man. The flowers are never free. Here we go, Bulls. Here we go. Man, this is not how I wanted the Bulls to start March. Nvidia's back into the teens. I think the low is 114 for today. Wow, insane. Yeah, something like that. You were correct, Avinash. Oh, man. Adds a little bit of color, man. I like it. They have a deeper meaning. Shout out to Avinash. Yo. These Bears are not messing around at all. All right, man. Can we find this? Is it a press conference or what? I thought it was going to be like a live press conference, but I cannot find it anywhere. Live? It's on like Fox News or something. News. I don't see anything live right now. Maybe if I go to, I don't know. Live. Anything live? That's on the 4th. Scheduled. Host a roundtable supporting. Yeah, it's supposed to be right now. I guess he's just late. Okay, let's see. So we're waiting. Someone said they should invest in a clock. Man. All right, so I guess we're not the only ones waiting. I thought I was missing something, so we'll see. Like, comment, subscribe, guys. Hit the notification bell and you'll know exactly when I go live. I just posted the the fresh Discord link if you want to hop in the free chat within Discord. We're getting a little bit of bounce. Let's see if NQ can reclaim 700. What a drop, man. I was not expecting this. Weekly, let's see. Let me go look at the monthly candle. If you look at seasonality, it does say we still have a little bit of room to drop. And then we'll have a push back up mid-month or before mid-month. We'll see how things go. We have non-farm on Friday. Don't forget that. Non-farm on Friday, March 7th. And then you have CPI on March 12th. So that's next Wednesday. Not this Wednesday, but next Wednesday. So those are two huge news events. So we'll see. What a drop. We're getting down to the open of Friday. Let's see what happens. It's in that 600 area. Wow. We were just at 512 on QQQ. We just swept 502. 10-point drop. Crazy. Here we go. We got some bulls pushing back up. Let's see if they can hold 700. They're holding it right now. I like the bounce up. Let's see if they can hold. And if they can get above this FEG inversion. Yeah, he's just late. That's what it looks like. Trump, chip maker, Trump and TSM are expected to announce a $100 billion investment in the U.S. We will see. 100 billion. Wow. Yeah, Avinash, we'll see. We will see. Here's the let me, for whoever wasn't here, let's go back to the seasonality of the S&P. It's very interesting to track. So this is the seasonality. So right here in February, we peaked and pulled back. Peaked mid-month, pulled back. And now we're into March, right? So we might get a little spike and pull. It actually says we'll break February's lows. That's crazy. So February's lows, we break, and then we push back up. We reclaim the February range and then push back up. March is going to be interesting. We're almost done with first quarter. That's crazy. Time is flying. Time is flying. 700 is holding. Let's see how far up we go. Okay, we're still waiting. I don't know how much longer I can wait. I'm about to go run some errands. Shout out to everybody in the chat, though, man. Shout out to Avinash. Shout out to Eric. Shout out to Calypso, Russell, Robert, MLH, Eric, number 72. Keeping it going. I haven't had any errors, so that's good. I think the bit rate is just right. Now it's just right. And you guys can still like change the quality to 1080p. And then you'll have like a crystal clear screen. So far, we're getting some type of bounce. Whoa, what just happened on SPY's? SPY's chart just perked up. Let's see. Wow. Let's see. Wow. VIX is into the 20s. Let's see. Okay, we're still late. Well, yeah, he's late. Thought we would get something. Maybe this is in response or in anticipation. We'll see if we get any pop back up. This is crazy, man. I was not expecting us to flush on day 1 of March. That's crazy. Base hits win the game. Trust the process. Don't rush the process. Trust the process. Don't rush the process. Yeah, we flushed where I wanted it to flush, but I just was there too early. We were all in this section right here during lunchtime. I need to leave lunchtime alone. Lunchtime can mess you up, man. Okay, so dropped frames. 0.3%. Frames per second, 60. Let's see if NQ Bulls can hold on to 700. Yeah. I'm going to get rid of some of them. Let's see. Got the EMA shuffle. Let's see if we get. So I guess he's just going to be late. We don't know what time he's going to get on. So I guess at this point, let's see how the 2 o'clock candle opens. and then we'll take it from there. Maybe he'll get him at 2. We are spilling right now. We got to the bottom of this FEG right at like the 650 level. What is that? Yeah, 659, 660. The bears are running right now. Man, I was too early to the flush. Choppy day. Yeah, the open and midday were kind of definitely choppy. Well, the open, we got a flush. Then after that, it's chop mode after 10 a.m. First 30 minutes were clean, though, to the downside. All right, guys, it's 2 o'clock. Let's see. Yeah. Less than 2 minutes. Fresh 1 hour candle coming in hot. 20,700 is holding for NQ. We'll see if they can hold into the 2 o'clock hour. Dan Pena. Shout out to Dan. NQ is holding well. They're holding. Let's see if we get back up to VWAP. If we reclaim 800, they got a chance. The Bulls have a chance. Nice push. Nice push back up from the 600s. All right, so let's see if I can do, whoa. Fresh 2 o'clock. Fresh hourly candle. Let's see where it goes. Yeah, I was waiting on the announcement, but it doesn't look like we're going to get it. It does not look like we're going to get it. 52 minutes ago. Yeah, still nothing. Man. Well. Well. Man. Okay, guys. Fun stream. I am going to see you guys tomorrow. I'm going to try to get on here tomorrow. I'm about to get back into the Discord. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Hit the notification bell so you'll know when I go live. Trust the process. Don't rush the process. If you took an L today, cry about it for 1 minute, then get back on the horse. You got to go back and see what you can refine, what you can tweak. Trust the process. Don't rush the process. Base hits win the game. Consistency over home runs. The base hits add up, guys. Hope you guys are doing well. Enjoy the rest of your day. Be good to yourself and be good to others, guys. Be good to yourself and be good to others. All right, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. For everybody in the Discord, I'll see you in the Discord. Peace out, guys. Be safe. I'll see you guys and talk to you guys soon. Peace.